this section. We're going to change the base formula using it. So we have musical cent is a unit of relative pitch. 1 octave consists of 1200 cents. The formula to determine the difference n between two notes, beginning frequency A, so we start with an end in frequency B, is denoted by this equation right here. So we just need to know if we want to find the difference in the two notes, the pitch. We can use this formula where we have a relative frequency of the first one A and relative frequency of the second one B. So find the frequency if a pitch A and if a pitch B is 1600 1661.22, and the difference between the two pitches is that. So there's my difference in between. That'd be my n. So that'd be my n. And I don't know the frequency of A. It didn't say the pitch of A. It just says B pitch is this. So I'm trying to find what A is. So I don't know A, and B is 1661.22. Okay, so I really can't solve for that yet. So basically I just want to get this by itself. So this is how you solve logarithms, is you get the log by itself, log by itself. So that means this being multiplied by log, so I want to divide by 1200, which is really just 16 divided by 12, which is just 4/4, if I can write. It's not letting me write here. Okay, we'll see if that comes back up. And then once I get the log by itself, step 2 would be then to put it in exponential form. So put it in exponential form. So we'll see, it's still not letting me write. There we go. 4/3 equals log base 2 of A over 1661.22. So I can switch to exponential form now. So that would be 2 raised to the 4/3 equals A over 1661.22. So then it's just get rid of division by multiplying. And I can type this in my calculator. I just hit 2 and then hit alpha link. 2 alpha link, which gives me the fraction bar. I put 4/3. Make sure I close off any parentheses that I have, and I can hit times by the 1661.22, and there's my A. So A is equal to 41, come on, 4186.0121. So that is the pitch of the first octave or whatever I was talking about there. And then we can check by taking that and subtracting this number and see that our difference was the 1600. So you just plug this back in here to B, and then plug this back in, or this one, sorry, this one back into A, and then you can check that this answer would be the difference in between them, 1600. So that's how you could check. Also, if you go online and look at this example in there, there's actually a video at the bottom that shows you how to do this graphically. So how to solve it graphically. So this is algebraically, and the video online shows you algebraically, or sorry, graphically.